Taste This is brought to you by IRG.
Can you do a smelt haiku?
Beautiful smelt fish caught in the ocean low tide. Now let me eat you. That's pretty bad.
A night smelt is what we're going for tonight. It's like a whole process of getting them that I really like.
This is an A-frame dip net. It's a Native American technology that's been used on the west coast of North America for thousands of years.
It's kind of like panning for gold, except what you're doing is you're sort of panning for little silver things that are coming in on the waves. And when you catch them, they're coming in the beach to spawn, and so they don't have a lot of food in their stomachs, so you can just take them and throw them in the pan and scarf them.
That's seen a lot of smelt, that thing. Could get a shirt. It's gonna be cold out there.
I will preface this by saying that for the last 5 years, it's been pretty bleak for these particular types of smelt, the night smelt. I'm hoping that tonight, maybe tonight's the night where we get a few more. I just want enough for dinner. That's all I want, so I can have a really nice meal with the wife.
All right, pulling out. No matter how futile it has been the last few years, I just get excited.
There's a quality about these fish, and this is one of the things that I find so crazy and magical about them, is that they all have this very incredibly powerful scent of cucumbers, especially when you get a lot of them. You put your head in the bag, and you smell it. It's just like an overwhelming scent of cucumber.
Okay, let's go get some smelt. What we do is we walk along the surf line, and when you feel the really soft sand, that's what the night smelt are looking for, because they need soft, kind of loose sand grains to get down there and lay their eggs and fertilize the eggs. So as soon as you feel that soft sand, that's where you stop and start dipping your net. They're going to start coming in now.
People might want to consider the benefits of eating small fish, schooling species like herring, smelt, because small fish, number one, as far as sustainability goes, most small schooling fish species, they are designed by nature to be able to bounce back reasonably well. Another thing is that these species are lower on the food chain, so they're going to bioaccumulate fewer toxins, and they don't live that long. So you're eating something that lived fast, died young, and didn't have a whole lot of toxins in it.
I had a hole in my net, so I lost whatever we just had. They're all gone. I had like 6. Let's just give it one last, the last college try here, okay?
Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go.
Here we go. Last dip. All right, that's it. Hey man, that's the best it's been for a while, and I feel very fortunate that the ocean god smiled on me and granted me a nice night of night smelt. Well, here's the catch from last night. They're still smelling like cucumber. The fishwife here is gonna fry these up and we're gonna have a nice lunch.
We're gonna make some fries with eyes. And I'm basically just gonna do a seasoned flour and fry them very quickly in a pan and eat them like little French fries. Mwah. Oh, look what we found here. What's that, Kirk?
Emerita analoga, the Pacific mole crab, otherwise known as the sand crab. You might as well bread it up, I'll eat it.
You know, it does occur to me that there's the dipping sauce.
Oh, we got the spoon. All right, now we're gonna ride it. Here we go.
Half mayonnaise and half Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and a slurp of that. Kind of aioli with a kick. Woo! That's a nice sizzle. Now we don't want to crowd them in their hot tub of fishy goodness. It's like the most perfect, clean, crisp fish fry you've ever had. I think these are ready. Beethoven, I think, is what made the magic there, babe. Nice work. You have fries with eyes.
Whoa.
Woo.
Tough, dirty to me.
Local seasonal bounty. Let me make sure this one's okay.
Oh yeah. I'm even liking the sand in the gill.
You call it sand, I call it flavor.
Cheers.
Good work.
First comes the smelt, the smallest of all. He clomb up the poop and cried out topsail haul. Well, blow, ye winds westerly, westerly blow. We're bound to the southward, so steady she goes.
Look good, look good. Thank you, Smelt.
Thank you, Smelt. Thank you, Ocean. Thank you, Fishwife.
Thank you, fisherman.
A couple of sand crabs ended up in the fryer. A lot of people have been making a big deal about sand crabs, so give it a shot. You ever eat shrimp heads? It's kind of like that. It doesn't suck.